Welcome to Mobile Legends!
Gagi, patay ako. Back.
First blood. An enemy has been slain.
Patay na yan.
An enemy has
Next one.
been slain.
Ayun, isa pa yan. Patay yan.
An enemy has
Nice
been
one.
slain.
Ito, Layla, patay yan, oh. Gagi. Nice one. Ayun, oh, nag-aabang yung halag. Mapak.
I only have time for handsome guys.
An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Nice one.
Chicken dati. Yes, nalubo ka
Killing
mo.
spree.
This little lady is the will of the abyss.
Shut down.
Sige.
Oris Diallo.
Petri.
Ay,
Ally
pa.
has slain the turtle.
Hindi ka pa.
Bak, tangin na, hindi lang tayo.
Initiate retreat.
Aray. Balik tayo sa lane, balik lane. Pero, gago. Patay ito. Gago. Patay na ako, ah.
Enemy has been slain.
Arahay.
Enemy double kill.
Kaya mo pa nga yung isa, eh.
Your team destroyed the turret. You have slain an enemy.
Kaya pa yun, isa.
Initiate retreat.
Gago, hindi ko natamaan.
Launch attack.
Gago, tangin na, sakit.
Enemy double kill.
Gago, patay ako.
Good game.
Fuck. Gago naman.
Unstable network.
Ayun na.
An enemy has been slain. Ult is not ready. Your team destroyed a turret. An ally has been slain.
Ingat, ah.
An enemy has been slain. Your team destroyed a turret.
Yun, ah. Push natin tong mid. Totoo, pwede nga yung isang manggulo dun sa bot, eh. Yung isa sa bot.
Your team
Gago, naglulog.
destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain.
Alis muna. Kaya.
Shut down.
Yun lang.
Killing spree. An ally has been
Gagi.
slain.
Abangan mo, ito.
Enemy has been slain.
Tara, Lord na.
Request backup.
Kaya. Ang ina core, patay ko dyan. Kaya na lang. Nice one.
Ally has slain Lord.
Gagi.
Ally has been slain.
Inabangan ah.
Launch attack. An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Patay na ako. Patay ako. Shit!
Initiate retreat.
Do you think I should dye my hair blue?
An enemy has been slain.
Dito na.
An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
Yung iba yung natamaan.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Push natin mid.
Launch attack.
Sige, push mo. Sige, push mo. Ang bahala.
Your team destroyed a
Ito pa.
turret.
Sure, there are ugly demons in the abyss, but there are also gorgeous cows like me.
Ally has been slain. Initiate retreat. Killing spree. An enemy has been slain.
Gago. Ano natamaan pa ako nun?
Double kill.
Hindi pala. Wala. Nandun yung corner eh.
Ally has slain Lord. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack. Killing spree. Shut down.
Gagi, ang sakit ng hanap eh.
Double kill. Our turret has been destroyed.
I'll
Gaging
give you a
trips to.
chance to join my fan club.
Initiate retreat.
Ako na bahala mag... Hindi.
Sure, there are ugly demons in the abyss, but there are also gorgeous
Initiate retreat.
Ito, kunin natin to.
Retreat.
Ito, dito ka. Aray.
Initiate retreat.
Hindi, kunin mo lang yan. Alis na. Gusto mo, ito. Pati ito. Kasama na tayo sa clash.
Initiate retreat.
Ayun na kasi, isang hit lang ako ng ano eh. Nawalan eh. Uwi ka na kaya.
You have slain an enemy. Initiate retreat.
Gagi, patay na ako. Ito clash. Kaso wala na eh.
God, initiate retreat.
Nandiyan ka na sa ano eh.
Our turret
Sa
is
battlefield eh. Gago, ang sakit.
Initiate retreat.
Ang ina.
Our turret is under
Ang
attack.
ina, nakaligtas pa.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Yung ina, nakaligtas pa yun.
Initiate retreat.
Mid lane, no?
Legendary.
Get nyo.
Initiate retreat.
Tapos punta sa Lord.
Attack the Lord. Ally has been
Pag nangunti tayo, balik na. Pag di kinaya, balik na. Ay, hindi, kaya pala. Ay, hindi, may layo lang.
down.
And I will lead you
Hindi
to
kaya niyan.
victory.
Wala nga, kaya mo ba yung Layla?
Enemy double kill.
Hindi ka kasi nag-ulti.
You have slain an
Ay no, Laylo. Hit mo nga. Nag-reset. Nice one.
ally has slain
Tara, kunin natin tong... Patayin natin tong Layla. Huwag ka muna magpapakita.
An enemy has been slain.
Tapos step natin yung bot lane.
Launch
Hindi, may
attack.
mag-delep na pala. Ito, kunin mo
I
to.
only have time for handsome guys.
Your team destroyed the turret. Initiate retreat.
Back.
Launch attack.
Nagugulo sana ako sa... Pwede ka mang... Di ba ginagawa? Patay na yan. Hanabi.
Ally has been slain.
Gagi. Back.
Initiate retreat.
Yung Lord nila nandun eh.
An ally has been slain.
Ay, sakit ng nawalan.
This little lady is the will of the abyss.
Puta na.
Slain.
Di pa umabot. Patayin mo yung kasama natin. Patayin ka dyan.
Under attack.
Ayun, uwi. Nagamit mo din yung SS mo.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Dep na.
Base is under attack.
Kaya mo. Ay, kakago. Ang sakit ng ano. Hanabi. Takina, winanhit ka lang. Putang build yan. Pusang alaws. Gago, talo tayo. Hindi pwede. Kaya niyo yan. Bubuhay na ako. Okay lang, ina kasi hanap yan.
Our base is under double kill.
Ay, nanganap yan, demonyo. Maglo-lord na yan sila. Na wala tayong core.
Keep an eye on the
Ang pang magagawa lang natin ay depensahan ang ating base. Huwag na.
Initiate retreat.
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
An enemy has been
Ay, ayun,
slain.
sige. Mabutit sinubukan mo.
Down. Double kill.
Paano mo malalaman kung hindi mo masubukan?
Backup.
Tap nyo muna yung ano natin, tore natin dun.
Warm to me.
Kasi madudurog yan, puta, mahirap mag-dip. Mataba pa yung ano, minions. Pwede tayo mag-lord ah. Oh, pwede tayo mag-lord kasi wala naman na silang core. Gagi. Kaso nga lang, may magugulo. Nice one.
Ally has slain attack.
Tara na. Launch attack.
Slain.
Patay yan oh.
Double kill.
Ang Yung Hanabi at Nolan pa yung...
Has been slain. Wiped out.
Birahi! Birahi!
Killing spree.
Nice one! Ano, tagal lang laban na to ah.
Victory!
Sabi matatalo lang no, next game. Iyo no.